Let's put together a college dorm room gift set. Welcome, I do sewing and DIY related content, and for the past month and a half, I have been making little items here or there to put together into a college dorm room gift set for my cousin. So I bought a basket, and today we are going to be looking at everything that I made and filling up this basket. All of these, except for one, have a video available, and the one that doesn't will have a video available soon, so you can make all of them too. So let's go ahead, get started, see what we're putting in this basket, and build it out. So the first item is this pillow that has little pockets into that pillow cover. I thought that this was so fun. I love this fabric. It's also really soft. So I would highly suggest, if you want to make a pillow with these little pockets using some sort of soft knit material that they can use to store their items. Then after that, I did make a laundry hamper. So this was an interesting project. This is all using mesh fabric. It has a drawstring. I added that drawstring lock. So everything is very waterproof. You can just throw this in and wash it as well, but it'll be able to hold all of their dirty clothes, and she can take it to college with her, and then she can have something to bring to the laundry room depending on what the laundry situation is. So I'm just gonna put this at the bottom of the basket. And then depending on how many items you really want to add to this, I had a couple non-DIY items on hand. So like I had an extra laundry ball, and then I had a little single Tide Pod. So I'm just going to throw that in just kind of as a fun little laundry item. And then I had made this fabric basket, so these can be great for storage. They can be great for just holding tiny items. And I made this fun little headband, so perfect for washing your face or doing your makeup. So I'm going to throw that in. I'm also going to add a little eye mask just as a fun little spa night in case you would like to do that. Then I did make another little bag, so this is kind of along that laundry theme. I will fully admit that I don't anticipate her like sorting out her socks and like delicates and putting it into here, but if she does, she has the option now. So I'm going to put that into this little basket as well. Then I bought some lotion just to kind of put into this little basket to show its use. Then I made these little cord keepers or cord organizers. I find these as a really fun way to organize all of your cords, and then that way she can just kind of keep it on hand or throw it into her bag if needed. And then I had made this keychain that actually holds chapstick. So the video will be out soon for this. It's not out yet as I'm still sort of finalizing the pattern and making it so that it's really easy to follow. But I'm throwing that in there. And then I did make this fun bowl cozy. So that was actually from, I first made these like at Christmas time, and I thought they would be really fun for a college student since they are microwaving so much food. So I'm gonna put that in there as well. So now I'm just kind of putting everything into the basket, making sure it's lining up correctly. I do want to make it look a little pretty, so I'm going to add a fun red bow. I tried to keep it with a theme if I could, so I used all the same fabrics. Of course, for whatever your student likes, I think this is a really great way to customize it. So with their favorite colors, with their favorite patterns, so many fabrics you can get now for different movies or sports, so you could definitely customize this very easily. So here is what the basket looks like. I did add one other thing, and it's this like little close tape, so you can use it to make sure like that your straps don't fall down if your hem comes undone, if you lose a button. So I just threw some of those into there as well. Now, as far as putting all of this together, I actually had all of these fabrics on hand. I would highly recommend sticking to a theme with your fabrics if you want it to look very cohesive. All I had to do was buy this basket, which you can get baskets at a lot of different places, and then I threw in a couple little items that either I had on hand or I bought at the store. So this is a really great cost-friendly way to put together a gift basket. And then I am going to be adding a note in there just so that she knows what each of these items are, how to maintain them if needed, but it's a really fun and easy way. Now, everything I've shown here there is a full video for, and if not, one will be coming soon, so check the description for each of those. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next.